Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier Epos. This tutorial will show you how to remove a hard drive from an Oxhoo Indigo till. First off, there are a few screws you need to take out from the base of the unit. There are 5 screws in total. Use a standard small Phillips screwdriver to unscrew all of these screws as shown. Once all the screws have been removed, the base plate will lift up. Be very careful not to yank it. There are cables connected to it. And as you can see, there's the hard drive right there. Just require to unscrew this last screw now. Again, another standard Phillips. Once unscrewed, make sure you don't lose the screw. Now the hard drive itself should just pop out, like so. Place the base gently back down. There are a few more screws just to take out from the actual hard drive itself. Once these are taken out, all you need to do is put another hard drive back onto the metal clamp and screw back in. Do hope this has been useful. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.